Hello, I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video, I'm going to go over the formula pattern scale for the key of E flat minor. And in this video, we will be focusing on harmonic minor only. So the first thing we're going to do is review the harmonic minor scale for each hand. We've got Do, E flat, Re, F, May, G flat, Fa, A flat, So, B flat, Lay, C flat, and here's the tricky part, T, notice that augmented second right there, T is D, and then Do, E flat. And that's the fingering we're going to use. We're going to start with finger 3. We'll make the crossing, turning around. 2, 1, cross with 4, and cross with 3. Left hand, same thing. So left hand fingering, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the awkward part. We're going to cross with 3 and then end on 2. So you have a big augmented second at that crossover. So before putting our hands together, we're just going to review what a formula pattern scale is. It's easiest if you think of it in segments. So the first segment is up, the second segment is out, the third segment is in, the fourth segment is up, the fifth segment is down, segment 6 out, segment 7 in, and the last segment is down. So we're going to lock in this formula pattern scale with a series of short and long rhythms. And just know, as you get into this, this is a tricky one, this E flat minor, because you've got the harmonic minor and then the switches. It can be confusing. So we'll do it nice and slow. 2 on Do, 3 on Do. Here we go. First one is up 1 octave, then we're going to split and go out. Cross with 4 left hand, under 4 right hand, left hand crosses with 3. Now we're going to change direction. Left hand's going back down, right hand keeps coming up. Under 4 both hands. Now coming back in. Cross with 4 left hand. Cross with 4 right hand. Cross with 3 left hand. Now left hand's going to keep coming up, right hand's going to go back up. Cross under 4. Left hand cross with finger 3, and coming back down, under 3, over with 4 right hand, left hand's coming under 4, right hand over with 3, now out again with the right hand, so back up with the right hand, down with the left hand, under 4 with the right hand, under 4 with the left hand, now they're to come back in, cross with 4, that takes a lot of concentration. So now we're going to do it very slowly without the rhythms. Now out and in, left hand changes direction, right hand goes up. Back in, 1 octave. Down 1 octave to E flat. Out and in. Right hand's going to continue down. Left hand's going to turn around and come back down. So the only thing that changes when we switch from a 2 octave formula pattern scale to a 4 octave is the length of the segment. So whereas in the 2 octave we went up 1 octave, out 1 octave, up 1 octave, out 1 octave, up 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 1 oct in 1 octave, up 1 octave, down 1 octave, out, in, and down. Now we're going to go up 2 octaves, out 2 octaves, in 2 octaves, up 2 octaves, down 2 octaves, out 2 octaves, in 2 octaves, and down 2 octaves. So let's do that. Still going up. Now left hand turns around, right hand keeps going up for 2 more octaves. 1 more octave, here we go. Back in, cross with 4. Cross with 3, cross with 3. Now, right hand's going to turn around, left hand's going to go all the way up. 1 more octave to go. And back down for 2. Left hand's going to continue on out, right hand's going to go out again 1 more time. In. 1 more octave. Right hand is going to continue down, left hand change directions. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of E flat minor. We covered harmonic minor only. We covered 2 octaves and 4 octaves. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, quick piano tips, and piano literature. Thanks again for watching.